Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, Zontes 350 time, and it's a coolant change, very easy to do. Well, you would do a coolant change every 3 years, so this is an early training video how to do it. It's in Chinese, but it's very easy to follow. This is Man Mick, I'll sign off and let you watch the video. Take care for now.
Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Ready? Okay. 5, 6, and. Start practicing harder.